YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another video. As y'all see, I'm already heading out and everything, but to be honest, I don't know how this video gonna go. I don't know if I'm gonna I don't know if I'm just gonna be doing a video where I'm like repainting my splitter, because I'm gonna see if I can repaint my splitter and all that. Look at that forehead shining, my boy. But I don't know if I'm gonna do all that or if I'm gonna paint my brake calipers. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna see how the video gonna go. But right now I'm heading out to one of my friends' house. We all got a little group or whatever. We probably gonna go out to eat. We're gonna go to Nando's. Nando's pretty fire, I ain't gonna lie. But you know, I got my daughter with me, so what's up?
What's up? Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button.
What she said. All right, y'all, we in traffic. My boy over there, my other friend, you know what I'm saying? We in traffic right now. Go ahead, pick up my friend's girl. Yeah, we're gonna get us some Nando's. Some Nando's. Boy, it's nice as hell outside, bro. That shit say 62 degrees, fool. Yes, sir. I'm so happy it's hot outside, bro. I was getting so sick of winter. Except for the storms, man. I hate them storms with all the severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings, bro. I ain't with that. But, bro, it's so nice out, bro. Out in traffic, bro. Look at them cars, man. Look at nature. Look at the road. I'm happy. But yeah, I guess I'll pick y'all back up when we get to the restaurant. We done made it.
Overnight market.
I'm ready, Sham. For some food. Sam, they're leaving us. Go. We outside. We outside with it. She's looking like a blood member. She's looking like a blood member. He's looking like he sells drugs and rides a lowered truck. He didn't hear me. He sells drugs and rides a lowered truck. He's wearing a hat. He's wearing a beanie. It's kind of hot outside. Maybe a little bit. But that's besides the point. Oh, look at the doggy. Yeah. Heading over to Nando's. I'll see y'all when we get in though. Yeah, look what I got. You know what that little chicken wrap with fries, orange mango. And I'm the first one to get it. That's how we do it. Y'all want a bite? You want a bite? It's like, nah, you ain't getting shit. You ain't getting nothing. You ain't getting nothing. Bro, tell me why. She almost got pegged, bro. Look at it. Go back to your country. You got your own country.
Back to Canada.
1 hour later.
But like I said, I was gonna take the splitter off. Cause man, look at this splitter, yo. This paint was horrible. Look at all that dirt. That shit look crazy. Bro, and my baby gonna look naked without a front splitter. But I don't know, maybe I'll try to at least scratch the paint that's right here off. Scratch the rest of that off. And try to spray it myself, cause hey man, this splitter's seen better days, but boy, my baby gonna look naked. Bro, I need an actual hand wash, bro. My shit looking crazy. I done had a bunch of scrapes. I mean, I've had the car almost 2 years, so it's gonna happen with this. Damn. I need to get a hand wash. I'll probably take it to a detail, a hand wash. I didn't even see this. But when you daily your car and you drive it faster. Damn, man. I mean, all this shit can be fixed. Probably end up buying another car eventually. I got a lot of rock chips on my stuff, man. Like, I think right there. Got a lot of them little rust spots. I'm gonna have to get that iron, whatever that stuff is called, to get rid of that. And it's hotter out now. See, the sun's out. I ain't got nothing on but a t-shirt, so yeah, I definitely can get to getting with my car, you know what I'm saying? Look at all these rust spots, bro. My car needs a good ass hand wash. I'll probably take it somewhere real soon to get it actually hand washed and try to keep up with washing it. Yeah, man, we got the splitter off. I'm gonna try to see if I can scrape all that stuff off and then repaint it. So, yep. All right, y'all. So, I guess I'm gonna make this, continuing from my last video. I did not get the paint off my last splitter. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get another splitter, get a better one. This is the new one. I think it looks pretty good. I got it from a website I got my first splitter from, which was, they have better products. The one I got the shitty paint from, I'm not gonna say their name because I don't even remember their name to be honest, but I think it's Super Out or something. I said I was gonna say it, but whatever. I think it is. Yeah, so we're just gonna replace it with that, man. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the block so it gives me a little bit more clearance and use the jack to hold up one side. See if I can go ahead and do this shit myself. So this is how it's looking now. It's gonna be like 2 seconds for y'all, but it's probably gonna be like 20 minutes for me, or 30. I don't even know. All right, y'all, just like that, to about like, what, 20 minutes? Try to make sure it got like lined up and everything. And she looking better. Man, my car was clean. It rained yesterday, man. I mean, we got a little bit of, look at all my finger marks. We got a little bit of gap right there, like it's sturdy on there though. You can see, yeah, I might add a couple screws, self-tapper screws to try to, tighten up that gap. Maybe tighten up that gap a little bit, and on this side too. But it feels sturdy on there, like, you know what I'm saying? Got a little bit of a gap. Let me see, what's the gap looking like right here? It's got like no gap. And it's got a little gap. Dang, man. Because it looked like it could be moved over to this way just a little bit. But I did it myself. Don't look bad though. I don't know. I might move it over just a little bit. Or I might just leave it. Just use the self-tapping screws. Because, man, I don't feel like trying to make this perfect. Oh man, it looks like the lines are pretty good. I feel like, because it's I'm adding on to the car. It's aftermarket stuff, so it's like not gonna be perfect. But it do look slick, cool though. But yeah, this is what the Charger's been missing though. My new splitter. You can't really notice the gap anyway, but man, just a little bit to the right would have made it look better. Yeah, Smokey looking a little clean. Got the splitter back. And the splitter dirty, all my fingerprints and shit. Yeah. Smokey looking a little bit more dapper now. I'm probably gonna add some motherfucking self-top screws tomorrow or something, because I gotta go to work. So, yeah, just look a little bit better now.